Every day's a new adventure, daylights renewed, embracing those who view the enter. Captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
Hello people! And welcome back to Ian and Tina channel.
Yeah, without a doubt. We've been busy.
Very busy.
Well, our last vlog was 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, 5th of August.
Yeah, 2 weeks, and today's the 21st, 5th, so 2 weeks and 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
2 weeks, 2 weeks and 2 days. As you guys know, the last time when you saw Wife for Life, she started that painting there in the background. We're about to give you a close-up in a minute, but you know, let the artist tell you what it entails, and yes, so here she is.
Well, it's a good thing I've got a lot of hair on my head because I was pulling my hair out at some points, but got there in the end. Yes, started with the grid.
Right.
Drew out the what do you call it? Drew out the figure of us, and got to painting.
Right. So before I give you a close up on the finished product, we've kind of like conjured what we would call a midway or a step by step.
Yes.
We did a little step by step.
A little speed up video for you, you know.
Right, you know, but we had a little soundtrack to it, so it can also be soothing. So we're gonna tune you into that first, and then bring you up close and personal to get the opinion.
Hope you enjoy it.
Here goes.
Oh.
You wanna do that again?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here goes.
Hope you enjoyed it, he said.
Hope you enjoy it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I hope you liked the little film there that hubby put together. Yes.
While Wife for Life was doing her painting, I was pretty busy myself, so my job was to take pictures as we go through the steps. My job was to also do little video takings as well and put them together, you know, so that whole little musical that you just watched, you know, I'm the man behind the camera and I'm also the man in the editing studio. What else?
Well, I haven't signed it yet. I've got to put my Johnny Hancock on it. So
or Jane Hancock when it comes to the period.
So I've got to sign it. That's my exclusive to finished.
Right. So without any further ado, you guys must be saying, show us, you know. So let me give you guys a close up. Here it goes. So, close up only for viewers of our channel.
Just for you guys.
You know, to see the real thing, detail for detail. So, I'm gonna take you into the eyeball of me. She's got me A-stone, my ball head. Yeah. You know, my ball head is shining so much that you can see the shadow, you know?
Exactly.
You know, detail is there. The handkerchief is just on point, you know? And my
creases in the jacket, my knuckles.
Yes, your wedding ring as well.
Yes,
you know, red dress, shoulders, everything is on point, and without a doubt, beautiful Wife for Life.
My signature will go here, but that's, you know,
the line there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You know. Let us know your let us know your ratings. You know, I want you.
10?
Yeah, out of 10. You know, I've given her a 10 plus.
Of course.
I'm not being biased. I'm not being biased. Behind the scenes, I'm Wife for Life's critic. You know, so every time she would call me, we work together like that. When I'm doing a video for my other solo channel, I'll ask her to come and listen to what I'm doing after editing and ask her.
Sounds interesting.
Or, you know, keeping
full,
And the same, even though I can't draw a stick man, you know, I still will come and look at the details and say, no, change that, change this, change that.
Because when you're painting and you spend so much time on a section of that painting, you kind of like get a little bit disorientated, and you have to step away sometimes, or you have to get someone else's opinion. That's me anyway.
No, I think that applies to everyone and every art, because when I'm writing, if I'm focusing too much, I think I get too involved, and then I don't see the flaws. And one more thing that we've been doing, you know, we've eating.
Oh, we've been eating, Okay, we've been eating, and hubby made a lovely cow foot soup.
She's saying lovely, you know?
It was lovely. Well, it was more than lovely. It was just...
No, I'm criticizing your comment of lovely because it wasn't just the cow foot.
No, it was tripe, which I hate.
You know, so the cow foot went down with her fine, you know, so we went out. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys this little clip of what we bought. Wife for Life and I decided that we're gonna order some meat online because these are some meat that I was trying to source, but they cannot be found in the supermarket. So we ordered it online, and we just went to pick it up from the actual place that we ordered it from. They told us that it would be ready today. So that right there, that's written in German, but it's actually cow foot. And that right there, that's oxtail. Rins means beef. And this here, this is actually beef tripe or beef intestines. So Wife for Life is not really feeling this one But, you know what I mean, growing up in Jamaica, I'm quite accustomed to that right there in soup. And also this as well. Cow foot and tripe soup, you can mix them or you could do them individually. And oxtail is a Jamaican specialty that we can do in many different ways. So I'm salivating already because I know I'm gonna have a ball. I'm telling Wife for Life that all these 3 meats is what Jamaicans call stamina food. So yeah. So as you can see, there is some ingredient there that, you know, some people may divide with us today. Yeah. Some people may side with you and some may side with me. You know, I love my cow foot, I love my tripe, and we both love oxtail. Yes. You know, so we haven't cooked the oxtail yet. No. But we've done the cow foot, as you've seen. Yes. We've also done a fish tea, but we forgot.
Yeah, we totally forgot it was
to film it. We should have filmed it, you know, but we did fish tea.
You'll notice that the banner on our Ian and Tina
channel.
The channel has changed.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, we've been
Let us know what you think about
that. Think about it. We've been putting a little bit of work into the channel, you know, to upgrade them, you know, so we can stay fresh. And as you guys already know about the soundtrack that we have, the new soundtrack. So
every day
we're just trying to stay current.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
And sorry for the long absence or the delay.
Yeah, like we said, we've been busy. I've been busy with the painting and I just wanted to get it done, you know. I just was so anxious to finish. I had like a couple weeks off work, so that was the time to like get it done. I wanted to finish it before I go back to work.
So yeah, without a doubt. And we also have an end card.
Yes.
We created an end card. You guys will see it in, well, let's not. Okay, so we have to sign out as normal because I was gonna say you guys will see it in 3, 2, 1, boom.
Oh, okay.
But we don't want to do it like that. So anyway, we look forward to hearing your comments and see what you think of Wife for Life work and this vlog.
And also, I just want to give myself a little plug. I do commission work and I can deliver internationally. So
if you want to paint it off yourself, Wife for Life is up for it. So consider it, think about it. If you know a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. And this is what Wife for Life does. She paints.
Of course.
So hope you enjoy this vlog.
Yes, so I look forward to you all watching our other vlogs and vlogs to come. We're trying to get new exciting content for you.
We don't want to be
boring. We want to up our numbers. So tell a friend and tell a friend's friend and tell a friend's friend. Everybody.
Yes, to tune into our channel. Until next time.
Don't know when that will be, but next time, enjoy the day, enjoy the vlog.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Just like on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. We are Ian and Tina.